journey of life, things are getting lost, but differently from a mind of the host. As the time passes by and the era of SSD thrives, technicians are starting to stockpile hard disk drives, big and small. You have them all. So what should a techie do? Make more e-waste or make a step out too? Should I repurpose them or make a gold digging stew? Yes, they are slow, and some say they should go, but they still have it, man. They have it, and they can do big and small. They store it all. Microsoft uses an AI to make faulty Windows updates. Tech giants fight with those who prevent the planned obsolescence. You cannot get Ivy Rain, cannot unlock CPU. Things that you buy do not belong to you too. But listen, dear techie, here's what you can do. Big and small, backups of all. Buy more external drive caddies, pack your old drives in them. Make all your precious backups, keep them in a safe place then. Don't trust the solid state drives, they pop like a bad shoe. So keep on writing stories, hard drives will support you. Big and small can save them all.